And now in the category of Best Cycles, the nominees were Hercules, Hero Cycles, Atlas Cycles, and the winner is Atlas Cycles. Can we have Mr. I.D. Chugh, Director, on the stage?
Ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely grateful that you have organized this function. When we sell our cycle, we attach a sticker, trusted since 1951. Now, the award is most trusted brand. For this, I am extremely grateful to our valued customers. We in Atlas emphasize on quality. That is our bull mantra. We may sell less numbers, but quality is our priority. And the second thing is the R&D. We do a lot of research. We bring many new brands, and the customer has trusted us. I am extremely grateful to the customers who have, because of them, we have been able to get this award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Atlas is definitely a revolutionary brand in the cycle industry. Moving on, in the category of homeopathy medicines, the nominees were Life Force, Welling, Dr. Batras, and the winner is Dr. Batras. May I have Mr. Bharat Modi, please come on the stage on behalf of Mr. Sandeep Saxena, Group CEO, and Mr. Sanjeev, CMO. In the category of Best Direct Broadcast Satellite Service, the nominees were Tata Sky, Dish TV, Videocon, D2H, and the winner is Videocon D2H. May I have on stage Mr. Siddharth Kabra, National Sales Head. Ladies and gentlemen, clapping is very good for your health. A few words.
You know, we are quite a young brand, just 7 years. And I think we were the last entrant in the DTH category. Extremely proud. And, you know, we want to really, say that we want to just continue giving the same service as we've been giving standards. Because it's extremely important in this industry where people really want to, not even miss a program, especially when it starts 8 to 10. Or 8 to 11 o'clock. So service plays a very, very crucial role. And we've continuously just been emphasizing extremely strongly on our service part of it. And we would continue doing that same. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations. And now in the category of Best Kitchen Appliances, the nominees were Butterfly, Pigeon, and Prestige. The winner is Prestige. And may I have on stage Mr. Chandru Kalro, Managing Director, and Mr. Dinesh Garg, Senior Vice President, Sales and Marketing.
Good evening, and thank you, organizers. Prestige is a very old brand. I can say almost 55 years old, and it is a constant challenge for us to keep ourselves in the customer's mind. We thank all our customers for remembering us, keeping us in the mind, putting their trust in us. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, sir. And now in the category of Best Home Automation Products Company, the nominees were Havells, Legrand, and Anchor. The winner is Anchor. May I have on stage Mr. Rajesh More, Project Sales, and the head, Mr. Nilesh Pashilkar, Retail Manager. Welcome, sir.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Anchor, as all of us knows, it's a trusted brand from last so many years. Last year, we were Asia's most promising brand. So this year, it's very good and nice to be India's most trusted brand. I'll just update you. Anchor now is a part of Panasonic Group Japan. So it's now Anchor by Panasonic company. So Panasonic, which has a legacy of 100 years, and Anchor a legacy of 50 years. So definitely we look forward to, stay to the expectations of all the consumers who really believe in us. Thank you.
Congratulations. And in the category of Best Hindi News Channel, the nominees were ABP News, Z News, and Aaj Tak. The winner is Aaj Tak. May I have on stage Mr. Sahil Joshi to collect the award. Congratulations.
Organizers. It's India's most trusted awards, and most in Hindi is called Sabse, and Aaj Tak is also known as Sabse Tez. So it looks like that this is a recognition of the trust of our viewers, which we have built in last 15 years. Very much.
In the category of Best English TV News, the nominees were CNN, IBN, Times Now, India Today TV, and the winner is India Today TV. May I have on stage Mr. Sahil Joshi. And now in the category of magazine, the winner is India Today. May I have on stage Mr. Anil Fernandez. Moving on to the next category, India's best manufacturer of seamless and ERW steel pipes. The nominees were PSL Limited, Swastik Pipes, Jindal Star. The winner is Jindal Star. May I have on stage Mr. Shiv Kumar Singhal, President Maharashtra Seamless Limited. Welcome, sir. Congratulations. So would you like to say a few words? If you would like to say a few words, your winning streak formula?
Good evening to all. Thank you very much to, first of all, to organizer, and thank you very much for our consumer and also buyer who trusted us. This is our 25-year-old Jindal Star brand. We are making seamless as well as ERW pipes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And now, in the category of Best Film Production House, the winner is Yash Raj Films. May I have on stage Mr. Ashish Singh, Vice President Production. Yash Raj ji, who made us fall in love with romantic movies.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot to the organizers for this award. You may be aware that Yash Raj Films was started in the early 70s by the late Yash Chopra ji. And from a production house, now we are a full-fledged studio that can compete with the best in the West. All I can promise is that we'll continue to entertain you, jab tak hai jaan.
Wow. And now in the category of Fairness Cream, the winner is Fair and Handsome. May I have on stage Mr. Sundi Balsara, Regional Sales Manager, to collect the award.
Good evening, all of you. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank personally and also on behalf of Emami to all our valued customers to make Fair and Handsome the most trusted brand. Let me just give you a quick view of the brand. We launched this brand in the year 2005, and it was a very new concept. We entered into a men's category, and right now we are very successful, and thanks to all the customers to give us the full support. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, sir. And now in the category of Best Company category, the nominees were DuPont India, Rallis India, and the winner is Rallis India. May I have on stage Mr. M.M. Tripathi, Vice President HR and Business Excellence, and Mr. Chandra Mohan Singh.
evening, all of you. Thanks, the organizers. Rallies India Limited is a 164 years young company and always in the agriculture field. We, on behalf of Rallies India Limited and on behalf of both of us, it is my great pleasure to extend thanks to all our customers, the farmers in the nook and corner of the country. We call it Rallies Kisan Kutumb. The farmers in the nook and corners of the country, the Rallies Kisan Kutumb, for not only being with us, but working with us, running with us in our journey, 164 years long journey. Thank all our customers, the Rallies Kisan Kutumb. Thank you very much.
Rallis India, India's leading agrochemical company.